Morning.
Hello, hello, hello.
One more hello, please.
Hello.
We got a pretty big Friday happening. First up, we're off to Dean at the Bush Company. We're dropping off his old man's Amarok kit because he is doing an epic build ready for a massive trip. I think he's going up north or Simpson Desert. Yeah, Simpson Desert. So that'll be epic for his old man. Here's the kit. Got some airbags. Got the onboard air control, which is going to adapt to his old man's existing compressor, which is going to be great. What are we doing next after that?
It's top secret, mate.
Top secret. It's not really top secret, but
we're off to see Sam Eyles. Go and have a quick look at his new build and
the 80 series / 200.
Yep, the 280 series. And yeah, we're going to be working through the air management IntelliRide system, help install height sensors, and yeah, run through calibration.
So if you haven't already seen our full air suspended rigs, Sam's 80 series has full air front and rear, just like our Patrol as a good example, or our Land Rover Defender. Now this has a system which is a 3 preset height auto leveling system. You get to activate low mode, drive mode and high mode, and then you have a heap of other functionality such as manual mode where you can adjust left and right, front to back, and also have the option, if Sam wants to, which is the horizon leveling. I think we might have, did we add that to the kit, you know, horizon leveling? He definitely needs horizon leveling, so I
think we did, yeah.
Yeah, so
if not, it's an easy add-on.
That's it, easy add-on, and I'm pretty sure he's building a bed in the back of the 280 series. So when he gets to a campsite, he'll just hit that horizon leveling button and he'll be able to level that vehicle out nicely and sleep on a flat surface. So that's going to be epic for him. We're just driving at the moment. There's been a bit of traffic, but it's all good. So we're currently in the Sunshine Coast.
Yeah, the traffic's shocking up here, eh?
Traffic was shocking this morning, but we're here, nearly there. So stay tuned for the rest of the day, because it's going to be pretty cool. There we go, dropped off the kit, the gear for Dean's old man. He's absolutely loving it. He's loving the gadgets. There's a wireless controller, wireless gauge, the airbags. He's gonna just enjoy the fact he'll be able to level his Amarok out because it is a bit saggy at the moment, but he is keen as mustard for his trip. So good luck, enjoy your trip. Now we're off to Sam Eyles. Go and check out his 280 series. So we've got a 25-minute ride from here, and then we're into it. Let's do it. I just rocked up at Sammy's joints. He's got the 280 series on the hoist. Yeah,
280. Van cruiser.
That's it. So Sam's bolted in the full air suspension, front and rear. We've got the front here, looking epic. And then the rear. Got the big Firestone rolling sleeve bags on the back. Look at that. Loving it.
Did I do it right?
Yeah, you've done an amazing job. So what are we doing now? Why have you got us in here for, Sam?
For all the stuff I don't know, like all the electrical, auto leveling, height sensors. I don't know. I just really wanted some free labour, to be honest.
That's it. So the system that we've got here is our auto leveling system. We use these on plenty of different OE applications such as ambulances, caravans, camper trailers, Mercedes-Benz from factory, VW, plenty of German vehicles. And you sort of need a specialist to properly do the job for you. So that's why Sam Boy's got us down here, just to help out a bit. And but yeah, he's pretty much got everything all bolted in, ready to go. The valve blocks in, ECUs all bolted, the tank, the compressor, everything you need. So we're just gonna get it all sorted now. Benny reckons he'll get it done in about half an hour because he's a weapon. Hey? Half an hour? It would be good, wouldn't it?
I reckon it's taken me half an hour to thread half a bolt.
Oh yes. No, we'll get this done.
Today, I don't think that's happening.
Here we go, look at that. What are you doing, Sam?
Spinning around. I don't really know. Doing what he told me.
Alright Benny, what's Sam doing?
He's just cutting down the crush tubes for the height sensor brackets, the universal ones.
Yeah, nice.
That we've just developed. This is him.
Epic.
Pretty sweet. So then you got this one, and it basically just straddles the chassis rail.
Yeah, nice.
Nice and easy.
Sam,
Yeah.
best part of this build so far? What's been
For
your favourite?
me, probably the motor, because I'm a rev head.
What about something that's been a big challenge for you?
What, the air system? Is that what you're talking about? Is that what you want me to say?
No.
What, doing the conversion on it, the front?
Whatever you think.
I hate the bodywork on it. That's just been like so much work. But yeah, it's good to do the front. There's not many out there with a 200 front on it, which has been cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just love the motor. It worked out really well. It's actually a factory Toyota engine, so
Yeah.
we boosted the hell out of it, and it's made some good power. So
That's awesome. What about something that's been a big laugh? You just sat back and gone, bloody hell, that is funny.
I don't know.
Have a think about it.
What is it?
I don't know. No.
What are you trying to get me to say here?
Nothing.
Nothing's funny on it. What have you done? Have you done something?
No, done nothing.
Okay. Nothing's been a laugh. It's all perfect.
Maybe this situation.
What? Doing
Just having a
airbag?
laugh now.
Yeah, of course.
So Benny, do you want to give Sam a bit of a rundown of what this height sensor is going to do and why you're mounting it there?
Well, it's pretty much reading voltage. So it'll read between 0.5 and 5 volts.
Yeah.
And that'll basically register from your calibration your 3 pre-saved heights.
Just a little stepper motor on there, eh?
Yeah.
And that's where you're
It's
going to see the movement.
Yeah.
A Hall sensor.
Loving it.
Yeah, we'll check that when we...
Oh, you can't put it on the inside, it gets smoked by the exhaust.
Bit of a weapon at that, eh?
Not hard. Just push it in the hole. Bit of a technique to it.
Yep.
There we
You gonna
go.
hold it?
Oh, we're in.
No, you're all good.
Hopefully long enough to
Sweet.
get to the hole.
That's it.
This flush tool, gets a flush cut. Real important when you do airbags, you want to nice flush cut or you get a leak.
Love it. Key to routing all this stuff as well is to stay away from any sharp edges and heat.
There's an exhaust right there, so
And that's with anything you run, don't you?
yeah,
Underneath the car.
to stay out of the road, right?
Yep, exactly. So the only thing I'm good at is coffee runs. So I'm getting some sweet treats for the lads. Some coffee. Try lattes. See what we can do, eh? Taking the ram out. Give the ram a go. Alrighty, yep, keys are in. Let's go. There we go, just nipped into Mummy's Cafe. Awesome people, great food, catered for all different options or diets. We've got the coffees down here, chai lattes, juice for Benny, got a brekkie burger and some Mars bar slices for the lads. It's gonna be sick. Let's do it. Oh, boys. Yeah. You keen?
Sure. Can go shopping this, man.
Yours is this one here.
Try a latte.
Yummy.
This is the first time I'm going to try one. Cinnamon donut.
Give it a go.
That's what it tastes like. Mmm. Cinnamon. Oh, that's good.
Is it?
Pure sugar. That's
Yeah,
what I
boy. Good stuff. So where are we at, fellas?
like. Worked out how it's going to fit. And now we're making that permanent.
That's awesome.
We did the test sweep and everything.
Yep.
So we ran it up and down in its motion and it looked good.
The articulation. Yep.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I need some silk.
Here's the OG built not bought rig. Look at that. Guy's been on a bit of a mud session. Look at it. Or it's probably just a nice paint job. Loving it. Absolutely massive. So how many ugga-duggas does it take to do these bad boys?
Do them up.
Yeah,
What, the main lock or the wheel?
the wheel.
Oh, a few. Just a rattle gun.
Yes.
They've actually got special like anti-lock bloody nut things on it.
That's where I first
can't
heard
go
that,
too
eh?
hard.
That was from you. The
Ugga-duggas?
ugga-duggas,
I don't even know where I heard it.
yeah.
Tricks of the trade.
Was it?
I lost my grinder. Is
Yeah,
this
we're-
yours or mine?
That's yours. I don't know where. I think I heard it on maybe, yeah, when I heard it from you, maybe the Explore trip
Oh yeah.
at the time. Yeah, it was funny as. What have we done, Ben?
Brought two left-handed brackets.
So if you fix it with your left hand, then that's right. Enough muscles. Nice, well, I think we're good. You sure?
So how are you finding it so far?
Easy. Nah, seriously.
Interesting.
It's not too bad. Not too bad. Pretty fascinating stuff. It's cool how it all works. So we're doing a bit of wiring. We're getting very close now. So all the sensors are mounted. Now we're doing the wiring. So every level sensor obviously needs a harness that goes to it. I just deep in the end so we can pull it through the floor because there's a tiny little grommet there. But now we get all these plugged in. And then we'll head inside, plug them on the inside, get all those air lines hooked up to the distribution block as well. And then we can start looking at how we're sitting to try and get some air in this thing and make some movement.
So people already know Sam, but where are they going to find the footage of this whole build? Where can they go watch it?
Build Up Bot! Yeah, boy! YouTube channel!
Yeah.
Subscribe, like, share, comment, and enter every giveaway ever.
Legend. That was good.
Oh, they're like, oh, we definitely got to check out that guy's channel now. Yeah. Totally, dude.
So where are we at, Benny?
Oh, it is. Wow. That was close. Height sensors are in. Wiring's up into the cabin. Now we've just got to plug all of the looms for each sensor into the main loom, the main harness.
Well,
Plumb the air lines, and then we're good to go.
Yeah. Stage are we at, Benny?
You're just whacking a bit of pressure
Bit of pressure in the bags and
in
then
each one, and then we can roll it out a bit and power it up.
sweet. How you feeling, Sam?
good man. Get man.
Bit of pressure in the bags. Fire up.
Should come off the hoist now.
Yeah, boy. Loving it. So this is where the ECU and valve block are, as well as the AMK compressor. Tanks there, all ready to go. Keen as. Calibrating.
Yeah, I'll just turn off a couple things.
Sweet. What are you going to turn off?
Just the handbrake and speed, because he's not got them connected, so
Yeah, cool.
he wants to play around with it.
Yeah, awesome. Suss out the heights later on. Yep.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Go guys, that is a wrap for this episode. We pretty much got all the height sensors in there, everything's all plugged up. We just got to do a few finishing touches, but if you want to check out the full build, jump on Sam's Built Not Bought YouTube channel. He's got the whole build on there, so go check it out. Enjoy and see you next time.